Makemyreport provides simple solution to your reporting need. If you are a corporate or an organization and your business runs on multi-user environment, that means you have either branch offices located at multiple places or you have many contacts in your network. With whom you need to be in touch, and also you seek various data or report from your contacts in different time interval. Now many of you might be using various softwares, ERPs and so on for your regular reporting needs, but as by industry experience, one still uses emails and Excel files for meeting most of reporting needs, beyond our system-generated reports. Collecting the data becomes really tough, when you have to collect it from hundreds of such contacts spread out at different locations. Reaching out to all the contacts, following them up for filling up the desired report, consolidating the accumulated data, analyzing the consolidated data or archiving the data in one platform is the need of the hour. Usually people use email, Excel or tools like Google Form and Spreadsheet etc. for meeting their respective reporting needs. All these steps require time, lot of coordination and are still prone to mistakes. One cannot assure to have the report ready on the desired time. This becomes very difficult to handle, if we need to have the report ready within couple of hours. Makemyreport brings you a consolidated communication and reporting platform, where you can connect to hundreds and thousands of your contacts. Design the relevant report format as per your requirement. Assign your contacts to fill up the format along with the dateline. You do not have to worry about following up your contacts to provide the desired data, as our RPA-based reminder follows up your contact on your behalf. You can predefine the scripts and the dates. The system will go on sending the SMS, email to your contacts, till they have submitted the desired data. You can also extract the final data sheet in Excel, PDF, CSV, or in the desired format, giving you a complete solution to organize your disorganized data. Moreover, all such communications and historical data are also maintained in your cloud for future reference. Auto data consolidation and data analytics helps you to generate various graphical and analytical reports. Moreover, you can also use Google Looker Studio, Power BI, Tableau etc. to generate more advanced analytical report or combining data from other sources. Makemyreport is available to you at almost zero cost. Log in to makemyreport.com now and create your account as a first step to start streamlining your unorganized data.